Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 24th, 2022. We're going to talk about crypto.com today, or CRO. We're going to see a must-see warning. I'm going to show you all something that I'm noticing on a chart that we want to be keen on. We want to be focused on to see how the market moves around this particular price, because if we continue to see excellent price movement, excellent strength on the price chart, then we can continue to go forward with our price prediction of looking for the market in CRO to go up. So before I talk about that, before I give you all this warning, I want you all to, if you appreciate the videos, the content, hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel, tap the bell notification as well if you all want to be aware as to where price is going to go without the confusion. All right, so let's talk real quick about CRO. You guys can see I got a price prediction already on the chart. I'm already looking for the price in CRO to move higher. Now, the thing that I wanted to bring to your attention, that is a warning for the buyers. This is a warning for those looking for CRO to go up. Now, I wanted to show you that we've already identified this certain level right here, right? This horizontal line is the problem. This is the warning that I want to show everyone for CRO, the ones who are looking for the price to go up. If you're short the market in CRO, then you're sitting pretty good and confident that the market in CRO failed to trade above 14 cents. That's the warning for the buyers. We need to see price in CRO break above 14 cents in order for us to grab our ultimate TP price out the market, which is around 16 cents. So I did a video on June 27th in CRO looking for the market to go up. And from then to now, the market really hasn't done too much. You guys can see it. It's just been trading sideways, but we saw the market run up to 14 cents. And now we're seeing the price come back down. That may be a problem for us to grab the ultimate TP price out the market in CRO, which would have garnered us around 27.5%. So let's try to figure out, could we still see the market in CRO break 14 cents to the upside and then eventually tag out around 16 cents? Because if so, we can continue to go forward with our original intention of us looking for the price in CRO to go up. Okay, so let me show you all this. Let me go ahead and extend this out further because when I show you all the different time frames, right, you all can see as the market in CRO has been hovering just slightly below 14 cents. Look at the volume. The volume in CRO has definitely came in as price been trying to trade above 14 cents. That is another indication that we need to be keen on. We need to be aware that the market in CRO, with all of this high volume, is definitely running across some massive selling. This is what's going on. That's the warning, is that as long as this volume stays high, it's going to be less and less likely for the buyers to break 14 cents to the upside. This high volume is indicative of people trying to get about their positions as the market buyers was able to bring price up to 14 cents. Okay, so that's not a good thing right here on the 2-day chart for the buyers. Again, this is CRO on a 3-day chart. You guys can see that the selling all started here on this 3-day price bar, and it bled over into this last completed 3-day price bar. So we are not out the woods just yet for us to not see price in CRO break above 14 cents. Now, looking at this on the 3-day chart, we can see that the overall market in CRO is in a upward trend. So the buyers do have that to their advantage. As long as the price in CRO continues to ride above that ascending line, we already know that they're going to take out 14 cents to the upside. We already know that. That will be our expectation, is for us to see the market move like that. So far, that's a positive that we are seeing for the buyers. So this is CRO right here on the 5-day chart. And this 5-day price bar is resembling how the market wanted to break above 14 cents, but it didn't happen. Now, the thing that I'm worried about on this 5-day chart is look at that very small spread here, right? The volume is also about the same as what it was on the last 5-day price bar. So we're definitely seeing some inundation of selling in the market in CRO right now. Right now. Let's see this on the hourly chart because I want to see how much volume is coming in right now in the market in CRO. Okay, so let me see this on like the 11-hour chart. So you guys can see where all of the volume came in at. Okay, it's coming in right here. And as we look at the market result as price movement, has the market in CRO really broken down? Has the price really collapsed after the introduction of all of this volume? Have we seen that? No, we haven't. As a matter of fact, the market here is still trying to move higher. So all of this volume in the market in CRO has not had an impact yet of us not seeing the market in CRO trying to run up. All right, look at this one. Look at this 15-hour price bar right here. The following 15-hour price bar, the market did not go down. It went up instead. So that tells us that we still have the ability to see buyers take out 14 cents. Just that simple. Okay. So let me go ahead and push this back over to the daily because I'm looking for the market in CRO to continue to move up. Okay. So I'm going to take it, extend it out towards, the ending of August for us to continue to see the market in CRO trying to run up in price. It's just taking us some time. That's one thing about doing prediction and forecast. The market doesn't move instantaneously. Sometimes it takes time. Sometimes it takes weeks for the market to move well into our price target area, right? It just goes that way. Now, if I had the ability to know when the market's going to run, I would not even be here on YouTube right now. I would not even be telling you all how this game is being played because I would just literally keep it to myself and win in the market. Because once you let the secret out the bag, right, then that secret will eventually become your problem because everyone else is going to be doing the same thing, right? So what I'm showing you all is basically information that nobody else knows, right? Now, everyone can understand how market works, but if that individual is able to determine timing, oh man, that's going to be a bad individual because they'll know when to deploy, money to these particular cryptocurrencies, and then they'll know when to leave, right? What I'm showing you is where I'm lacking. I don't have that ability to time the market. If we ever get to that point to where someone can time the market as to when a market is going to move higher, they will be billionaires in a very short amount of time, for real. But what I'm showing you here is just the ability to understand direction and where the market is trying to go. Now I'm working on trying to figure out that timing portion, and then it's game over. All right, now give me your idea though about crypto.com, CRO, where you all think the market is about to go. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.